Alrighty, guys, check it out. Palantir is up over 10% on the day, completely breaking out here on the 1 hour chart, which you guys probably remember. We've covered this time and time again here on the YouTube channel. We've been trading sideways on Palantir for a good month at this point, a little bit under a month, but yeah, pretty close to a month, between 23 bucks as support and resistance at about 25, 25.50. Well, look at this, guys. We broke over 26. We're up over 10% on the day, up $2.50 pretty much on the day. And the high was $26.50. We hit that, let's see here, about an hour ago, not even, actually a half hour ago prior to me making this video. So let's break down the charts here, my thoughts, and go over the news that just came out. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and of course, don't forget to follow me on X and on TikTok. Those are linked down below. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it, guys. So again, we're looking pretty good, not only when it comes to Palantir, but for the entire stock market for that matter. We had Jerome Powell speaking earlier, which we'll talk about later in another video, not in this video, but essentially all the indexes right now are in the green. A lot of stocks are moving as well, which is good, which we'll cover some maybe later in this video, but definitely later today in another video. So now Palantir's up 11.1%. There we go, guys. So let me pull up the investor relations page very, very quickly here so we can see what's going on. So you guys can see the Army selects Palantir to deliver Titan next generation deep sensing capability in prototype maturation phase, which if I zoom in a little bit, it is going to be hard to read here, guys, so bear with me. So you guys can see at the top here, Palantir USG Inc., which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Palantir. They were awarded the Army Contracting Command, which you guys can see here. This is an agreement for the development and delivery of the Titan ground station system, which is the Army's next generation deep sensing capability enabled by AI and machine learning, which of course is the talk of the town these days, guys. And the agreement, which is valued at almost $180 million, covers the development of 10 Titan prototypes, including 5 advanced and 5 basic variants, as well as the integration of new critical technologies and the transition to fielding, which is pretty cool if you ask me, guys. So of course we could read deeper into this if we want to, learn a little bit more about Palantir and Titan, but we're just going to cover the headline quickly for this video, guys. And again, this agreement is valued at $180 million, which again covers the development of 10 Titan prototypes, including 5 advanced and 5 basic variants. So we have that. And number 2, we also have the news here that Palantir is going to unveil new customers at oversubscribed AIPCon, which, let's talk about this very quickly. Let me zoom in a little bit here, guys. All right, so today Palantir announced that more than 60 customers will showcase their work in Palantir's AIP at its upcoming AIPCon, including the unveiling of 20 plus new customers and partners, which is huge, guys. The conference will be, of course, live streamed on Thursday, March 7th, which is tomorrow, on Palantir's YouTube channel. So make sure you guys, keep your eyes on that. But that is big news, very, very big news, and no doubt causing some hype in the stock. You guys can see Palantir introduced AIP in mid-2023 and later that year introduced AIP boot camps, Palantir's hands-on keyboard acceleration program for customers to go from zero to use case in a matter of hours. And since launching, nearly 850 AIP boot camps have been completed in the United States and around the world, with concentrations of customers in Detroit, Chicago, New York City, Washington, D.C., and more. And in addition to showcasing the impact of AIP on their business, customers at AIPCon will lead their own AIP boot camps, and speakers include 20 plus newly announced customers and partners, including Lennar, General Mills, Lowe's, Cone Health, CSX, OpenAI, plus more. So that's the big news that we got today, guys. Very, very big news. And again, the AIP Con is tomorrow on March 7th, which you guys can watch on their YouTube channel. And of course, we'll cover more of that in a future video. So what do you guys think about all that? Those are some bombshells. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And again, Palantir stock is relentless. This thing keeps on going, now up almost 12%. Holy crap. It looks like, we want 27 today. Maybe the stock wants 27 today. We'll see. But it's crazy how fast things have turned. And not to toot my own horn, but did we not call this out a couple of months ago on the channel? I know a lot of people were talking about it, but we covered the charts here, guys. We broke down the technicals, and I told you heading into this fresh year that $20 to $28, $29, that would be the window that I'm watching. That's where the stock traded, a couple of years ago. It was back in 2021, right? So about 3 years ago. And, it's been... let's just say trading in that window. It broke out starting off the year. Of course, earnings helped in the past couple of weeks. That's the big reason why we are starting to move here, along with some other things. But yeah, now we're back into this range, and who knows? We could be getting ready to break 30 for all we know in the coming months here. Potentially. Of course, nothing's guaranteed, but the fact that we broke out of 21, earnings are looking pretty good. Guidance is there, right? This could really start moving, man. It could really start getting out of that $28, $30 window, and who knows where it's going to go from there. Of course, I'd love to know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But that's a quick breakdown here on Palantir, again, in the midst of an overall green day where we have the Russell up about 1%, NASDAQ's up 1.1%, S&P's up 0.8%, Dow's up 0.4%, and we have the VIX down over 1.3%, and we have the metals continuing to move. You heard that right, guys. Gold, it looks like another all-time high was hit. It's up around 0.5%. Silver's up 2%. Big day for silver. And we have a lot of movers here in terms of other stocks, which we'll cover a lot of these later today. But quickly glancing at them, JD.com's up almost 20% today, which is nuts. CrowdStrike is up big time. CRWD's up 13%. And the thing is, earlier it was up even more. Looks like at one point CrowdStrike was up around 30% after the bell yesterday. Yeah, that's pretty nutty, guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo, of course. As always, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, and fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, and each of those could be valued up to $2,000. So get on it, guys. Use that Moomoo link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all later.